Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to our channel and welcome to another video where in today's one we're taking a look at Vinted. And I'll explain to you guys how can you set up a new payment method onto your Vinted account. So let's jump right into it. First of all, open up Vinted on your web browser. Make sure to head on from the home page onto your profile picture in the top right corner and then click on settings. From the settings page on the left hand side, click on payments. And to add a payment method in your payment options, you will click on add a new card. And if you would like to add a payment option for withdrawal, you'll click on add bank account. From this pop-up window, fill in all of your card number information as well as the expiry date and the secure code. Then click on use this card and your payment method will be updated here. Then later on, you can use it for purchasing on the website or, as I said, withdrawing your balance. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, leave it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.